Just like your regular Christmas lights, there is a timer function built into the mesh tech so that you don't have to be home to turn your lights on all the time. We're gonna hit the hamburger menu in the upper left corner, and it is gonna be listed as schedules, about halfway down your menu options. It's gonna tell us we don't have a schedule yet, so we're gonna add at the bottom. We're gonna schedule a lighting. We can either set a particular setting, a particular color, the warm white or pure white, a preset, or an effect. For this one, let's just do a standard white. So remember, Mesh Tech Warm, or Mesh Tech Nugget Warm, it's gonna be the color we want at 100% brightness. So we're gonna hit next. It's gonna bring up the date range in which we want this to occur, or there's the toggle button at the bottom for all year. We're gonna do all year. So graze those out. We're gonna hit next. And this is the on time. So around here, it's not really gonna get dark until about 8:30. So we're gonna dial up 8:30 p.m. Hit next. This is the day of the week. So if we only wanted warm whites on Sundays and Thursdays, we would just uncheck the rest of these boxes and hit next. But that's no fun, so we're gonna turn them on all the time. So we're gonna next. It's gonna give you this last little check screen. If you're looking at it, you're like, I really didn't want to do that. I wanted it 8:45. You can hit the little pencil next to the line item you would like to edit. Make your changes. And hit the back arrow in the upper left corner. So it's kind of nice that you don't have to go all the way back through the whole thing over again. Then at the bottom, you're gonna hit create. And it will add that schedule. It'll upload it to the controller automatically. Process usually takes a little bit. Alright, it'll automatically take you back to your schedules window. So you can see that we have a schedule created. It's going to turn on Mesh Tech Nugget Warm, 100%, 8:45, every day of the week. It's going to control the one device that we have in our group, and it's uploaded and ready to go. Now, you probably noticed that we set the on time, but we did not set the off time. It's because the off has to be set as an independent scheduled item. So on the bottom here, we're gonna add schedule, and you see here it says schedule off. So we're gonna press off again. Next. The same date range. We're gonna enable this all year just because that's what we did for the other one. Next. This is the time that it's gonna shut off. So let's shut it off at 10 o'clock at night. We're gonna set that to 10 p.m. and next, every single day of the week. What's nice about being able to schedule the off like this is if you have multiple ons or color changes or different effects that you're running as part of your on schedules, you only need to have one blanket off schedule for everything. So if you don't want a single light in your house to be on after 10 o'clock, you set this and you leave it and it will do just that. But we're gonna do every day of the week. Next. And again, it's our little check down screen. Date range is the whole year, 10 o'clock, every night of the week. Create. And it will do the same adding, processing, uploading process that it did for the last one. And then it will kick us back into the schedule screen. It always feels like it takes forever, but I swear it doesn't. Almost. There we go. All right, so you can see based on this screen that we have our on scheduled and then we also have our off scheduled. Now, if we want to do something different, we can schedule another lighting effect. We can pick a color, we can pick a preset, we can pick an effect. In this case, let's do a strip effect. Do static. Next. So maybe we're gonna do a 4th of July situation here. So we're gonna do a red, white, and blue. We're gonna do 3 red, 3 white, 3 blue, just because. Next. Start date, we'll do, I don't know, September 5th. And through the 7th. 5 o'clock, let's do 9 o'clock. You can just leave it as every day of the week, even though we only selected like 2 days, it doesn't matter. So again, it'll tell us static effect, red, white, and blue, segment length is 3, speed is up all the way, start dates, begin times, all that good stuff. Great. It'll do the same adding, processing, uploading process, and then we'll see this additional schedule in here. It does seem that the specific schedules like this will override an all year, so that makes it kind of handy. You can set the all year to be white, and then you can set your special colors as desired. It's done, it's added, it's all good. If you touch on one of the colors or one of the effects, like this one, Mesh Tech Nugget Warm, it'll tell us that it was applied. It's going to tell us the Mesh Tech Nugget Warm, the whole year, begin time, repeat, mode, all that good stuff. But on the bottom is where it becomes more interesting. If you want to delete this, if you don't want to do that, you can hit delete. If you want to check it to see if it actually uploaded the schedule properly, you can hit check. It'll usually blink the color or the pattern ever so quickly that it indicates that it knows what the schedule is and it knows what it's supposed to run. If it's not quite right or you're not sure, you can always reapply, and it will take that schedule and it will upload it again to the controller just to make sure that it got it. But if you're having any weirdnesses with your schedules, that check and reapply are very important. And we'll hit the arrow to go back. That's pretty much all there is to scheduling. It's very basic, very simple user interface, and it will definitely turn your lights on and off when you need it to.